All right, everybody, welcome back to another Buzz with your Cuz. We are out here in the Texas Hill Country, right outside of Fredericksburg, off of 290 at Grape Creek Vineyards. What a visually stunning, just a beautiful property. Oh, and they have some pretty dang good wines here as well. We selected the classic tasting today. There's also a tasting and a tour, but they were completely booked on the tour. So pro tip, call ahead, get your name on that list for that tour. It's a Friday in late October. Weather is not great, but the wine made it a lot better. We honestly thought that we'd be able to sneak in and get on the tour, but it just was completely booked up. Behind me, you could see some of their beautiful grapes here, Montepulciano grapes, Aglianico grapes. They have a lot of Italian grapes here. It's a very Tuscan themed, but all of their tastings are very well-rounded. So they have rosés, they have white wines, Cabernets, Merlots, blends, just across the board, super Tuscan. Bellissimo. So this is one of the very first vineyards actually opened in this area by a retired Marine. It was built in 1996. If you've been to the Texas Hill Country in this particular area in 290, it is growing rapidly. So this was the only vineyard out in this area, and now it has a lot of other vineyards moving in. So they kind of got wind. It was very successful here, so they moved in, and then it was sold sometime in the early 2000s to the next family. But this is actually was his house, converted to a vineyard and a tasting room. I mean, talk about career goals. And this used to be the master bedroom. Join the wine club. Get you access to the restaurant. Get you some free tastings. This was just an outstanding stop and probably one of the top on the Texas wine tour. One that you definitely catch a buzz with your cuz. We hope to see you here soon because we're going to come back, and I mean often.